Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Managing Director Jongka Meghalaya Handloom and Handicraft Development Corporation Kasorkar Meghalaya uba APS War Nongbri takasni balang ka arpo tarik ubanay naitong arajar arpo ula Plie Pyrda ya ka Jingpyninam ya Tiar bala Shna dakikti ya ka bala tip kum ka thematic exhibition kum shibenta ban kinteo ya kinong Shna Tiar hapo kani ka Jalna Meghalaya. Ya kini ke Jingpyninam, ya kini ke Tiar Snakti, kabala long ha All Saints Hall Shillong, kabala sedang nado ke khat khandai tarik ubunai naitung arajar arpo bat kaban kot hado ke arpo pra tarik ubunai naitung arajar arpo la penlong de ke National Design Center New Delhi, bat bala kershan jingerap da ke DC Handicrafts. Hagane ka snila Sakilangru da Deputy Director uba J Poti, Regional Director jangka Office Development Commissioner Handicrafts, Ministry of Textiles Kasorkar India.
We are today inaugurated 10 days thematic exhibition at All Saints Cathedral Hall, Shillong, with the help of all the adopted cluster artisans and producer company artisans from all over Northeast and from UP and other states also. All the producer companies, artisans and adopted cluster artisans has displayed their product in the stall, and all the handicraft items are displayed here. So all the public are invited to visit the 10 days event at All Saints Cathedral Hall from 10 to 5 p.m. and all the artifacts are available in a wholesale price in the store, and even they contact the producer company members if they want to purchase in bulk for their emporium and other thing. And all the handicraft items are produced by the artisans in the cluster located in Northeast region, in Jorhat and Imphal, and from Nagaland and from Jaipur and from Tripura, cane and bamboo craft, and different craft items are displayed in the different stalls, and all the public are invited cordially from the office of DC Handicraft to visit the event. Thank you.
Handicraft embroidery, so ia tan so toka embroidery le toka dinki kakam keti ta ia tray na tu mensuai na du senem kapo art kapo iu yo step awal senem kat kandai kapo san hadukat mata ngadang tray pun dinki kam lada pisah baku atre ya wangi ha madam martin don ka training center Jonga.